Today start a new point, preparation of phenol. Look here everybody, a first preparation method from chlorobenzene. Does a process. This is the industrial method. This is the industrial method. Preparation of phenol. Look here all of you, a chlorobenzene, simple. Phenochlorobenzene is fused with reaction balance करायची. This is not necessary for the balance reactions. Look here, phenochlorobenzene here fused with NaOH at the temperature 623 Kelvin and 150 atmospheric pressure. 150 atmospheric pressure. First it gives sodium phenoxide. O minus Na plus sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. Look here, sodium phenoxide is a sodium phenate. Sodium phenoxide is another name, a sodium phenate, which on a decomposition or acidic hydrolysis by dilute acid means dilute HCl, dilute H2SO4. Okay, a carbonic acid H2CO3 also to form a compounds. What is this? This is the phenol. What is this? This is the phenol. Correct? Yes, phenol. Look here, repeat the explanation. Phenochlorobenzene fused with or heated with sodium hydroxide at high temperature and high pressure. Means 623 Kelvin temperature and 150 atmospheric pressure. First it gives sodium phenoxides, means sodium phenate, which on acidic hydrolysis by using the dilute acids, means dilute HCl, dilute H2SO4 to form phenol. Okay, this is the industrial method. This is the industrial method preparation of a phenol. Phenol means carbolic acid. Phenol means a carbolic acid. Correct? Look here, a first preparation method from chlorobenzene. How will you prepare, everybody? How will you prepare a phenol by Dodds process? How will you prepare a phenol from chlorobenzene? A simple answer, repeat answer. Phenochlorobenzene is heated with a sodium hydroxide at high temperature and high pressure. Okay? Means a 623 Kelvin temperature and 150 atmospheric pressure. Okay. First it gives sodium phenoxide. First it gives a sodium phenoxide which on a acidic hydrolysis by using dilute HCl to form phenol. Okay. This is the first preparation method from chlorobenzene. Sodium phenoxide means sodium phenate. Sodium phenoxide means sodium phenate. Okay. This reaction is acidic hydrolysis. Second reaction is acidic hydrolysis. Correct? Yes. Look here, in old syllabus, there are the two methods from chlorobenzene. First is the Dodds process and second the Rassing process. In NCERT syllabus, a two method, the Dodds process and second the Rassing process, but Rassing process, this method is cancelled in the new syllabus. Correct? Yes. Look here next, a second preparation method. Next is a second preparation method. Look here, second from cumene. Second preparation method from cumene. Okay, look here, cumene, another name, isopropylbenzene. isopropyl benzene or 2-phenyl propane. 2-phenyl propane. Correct? Yes, 2-phenyl propane. Look here, this is the commercial method. This is the commercial method. Commercial method. Correct? Commercial method. ही मेथड कुठली असेल पहा, याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे, कमर्शियल मेथड. लुक हियर, फेन क्युमिन लाइक दिस, carbon, yes, CS3, next CS3, name of the compound cumin. Look here, a cumin is also prepared from, okay, prepared from a Friedel-Crafts reactions. Cumin कसं तयार करणार आहे, Friedel-Crafts reaction पासून. कुठली रिएक्शन असेल, इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक aromatic substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction in aromatic compounds. Okay, look here, faint cumin is air oxidized, O2. Okay, air oxidized in presence of cobalt naphthanate. Cobalt naphthanate in the alkaline medium. In alkaline medium, okay, at the temperature 423 Kelvin. Look here, first it gives simple cumin hydroperoxide like this, carbon, next CS3, next CS3, next OOH. Correct? Name of the compound cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide. Look here, first step, everybody look here, when cumin is air oxidized in alkaline medium in presence of a cobalt naphthanate. Cobalt naphthanate as a catalyst. Cobalt naphthanate in presence of cobalt naphthanate at the temperature a 423 Kelvin. First in cumin hydroperoxide, the reaction atto-oxidation reaction. What is this? This is the atto-oxidation reaction. Atto-oxidation reaction. Look here, cumin hydroperoxide decomposition with dilute acid, mean dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4. Dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4 to form OH. Name of the compound carbolic acid or phenol. Carbolic acid or phenol, a plus valuable byproduct. Valuable byproduct means acetone. Look here, both are valuable. Phenol also valuable and byproduct also valuable. Both are valuable. Okay, this is the commercial method. This is a commercial method. The reaction is atto-oxidation. Atto-oxidation. Look at when cumin here oxidizes. Okay, in presence of cobalt naphthanate in alkaline medium. At the temperature a 423 Kelvin, a first it gives a cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide. Okay, which on a hitting with the decomposition to form a phenol and valuable byproduct acetone. This method is called as a commercial method, but actually this method is a atto-oxidation reaction. Atto-oxidation. Correct? Yes. Look here, first preparation method from chlorobenzene. From chlorobenzene means DOS process, and second from cumin isopropyl benzene. Look here, everybody, common name. Okay, simple common name cumin. Next common name isopropyl benzene, and next is the IUPAC names of the compound a 2-phenyl propane. 2-phenyl propane. Look at how you prepare phenol by the commercial method. By a commercial method. Answer simple. When cumin is air oxidized, okay, in presence of cobalt naphthanate in alkaline medium at the temperature a 423 Kelvin, a first it gives cumin hydroperoxide. Look here, a cumin hydroperoxide hitting with decomposition by the dilute acid, mean dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4, a to form phenol and valuable byproduct acetone. Valuable byproduct acetone. This is a commercial method. This method is attooxidation. This method is attooxidation. Correct? Yes. Look here, two preparation methods. Look here, two preparation methods. Two preparation method is completed. Correct? Yes. Okay. Stop here.